Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance cars of the year, the 2026 Porsche 911 GT3. If you're a fan of precision engineering, track-focused design, and pure driving exhilaration, this one's for you. So buckle up, because this isn't just another 911. This is the ultimate naturally aspirated masterpiece from Stuttgart. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 911 GT3 takes aggressive styling to the next level. Up front, you'll notice the wider front air intakes and an even more pronounced carbon fiber splitter, designed not just for looks, but for real downforce. New for 2026. Porsche has lowered the ride height even further, with widened fenders housing 21-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Porsche says the overall aerodynamic efficiency has increased by 15% compared to the 2025 model. Step inside, and the GT3 reminds you this isn't your everyday commuter. The interior is pure race car with a touch of luxury. You get Alcantara everywhere, from the steering wheel to the door panels. The seats? Ultra-lightweight carbon buckets that hold you firmly during high-speed cornering. And for the purists, yes, you can still opt for a 6-speed manual gearbox. Porsche knows its fans well. The tech remains driver-focused. Porsche's latest digital gauge cluster gives you real-time performance data, lap timers, and G-force readouts. Even with the minimalist vibe, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a stripped-down but effective infotainment system. Now, let's talk about the soul of the GT3, the engine. Under the rear deck lid, Porsche stays loyal to the naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat 6. But for 2026, power gets a slight bump, now delivering a staggering 530 horsepower at a screaming 9,000 RPM. Torque has also increased slightly, now sitting at 470 Nm, giving the GT3 even sharper throttle response. 0 to 60. Just 3.1 seconds, and with launch control, it feels like being shot from a cannon. Paired with either the lightning-fast 7-speed PDK or that glorious 6-speed manual, the GT3 delivers an unfiltered connection between driver and machine. Porsche's rear-wheel steering and adaptive suspension system ensure that this thing carves corners like it's on rails. The 2026 Porsche 911 GT3 isn't just another sports car, it's a statement. A love letter to driving enthusiasts who crave precision, raw power, and that unmistakable flat 6 wail at 9,000 RPM. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 GT3 the last great naturally aspirated Porsche? Or just the beginning of another legendary chapter? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, drive fast, and I'll see you in the next one.